I do see a consolidation, like a flag pattern. You can see there the consolidation, and we can see that the old resistance becoming support. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day, and today I'm going to look at cryptocurrencies again. This is a crucial weekend coming up for us. The market's still rejecting those highs, and this weekend is crucial. The close we will have on Sunday night will determine most likely what will happen in the next few weeks for us. But let's run through them one by one. Bitcoin, you can see on the weekly charts, we did get a new all-time high and then fading back. If you look at the daily charts here, not convincing. However, I do see a consolidation, like a flag pattern. You can see there the consolidation, and we can see that the old resistance becoming support. This is why it's crucial today and the rest of the weekend. Because if this consolidation, which is normal when we look at recent resistance levels, this is a big level, guys. If you look at this, that was a resistance there and resistance up there. So obviously there will be resistance. The sellers will step in there. Anybody that bought down here most likely will take some profits there, and anybody that wants to be long wants to buy, but they're not very keen on buying just right at resistance. So very important to watch this for today and this weekend. Solana battles with the markets there on the weeklies, dailies. Now Solana could be a retest. You can see there. Could just be a retest there, and this support resistance level here also. But Solana not looking that great. Not looking that great at all. But yet again, if you look at this, let me delete that line. If you look at that consolidation, those consolidations are good news, but only once it breaks out. So these consolidations are very, very important. XRP battles, absolutely battles. And yet again, consolidation there and there. If it can play out, the breakout would be amazing. This is something to watch for today and the weekend, and obviously into next week. Then XLM battles on the weekly charts. If I go to the dailies, yet again we sit with a consolidation there and a little, well, I can connect that with that. That brings us into a wedge pattern. So the breakouts, this is the thing to watch. Cardano battles on the weekly charts, daily charts. It's drawing the lines from there to there, and I can connect that with that. You can see there, resistance becoming support. Vital important for this to bounce, and then later next week maybe the breakout. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. Bitcoin Cash, well, a little bit sideways there. Look on the daily charts, it's holding well. This one is actually holding well. And no real patterns forming here. So this one looks quite strong at this stage. Chainlink battles at this resistance level. 2 candles, and this one doesn't look good. Look at the daily charts. Yet again, look at these patterns. These patterns repeat themselves all over the place. Very important to watch this, the breakouts there. Might not be today or the weekend, but next week will come up. Polkadot battles, broke through this halfway mark, closed there last week, even going further this week. So the daily charts not very great, however, still the pattern, the consolidation. See the consolidations happening there. Now the market still needs to confirm this. Litecoin. This could be like a strong candle with 3 falling soldiers here, and then we're going to need another long, strong bull candle next week for this to be a continuation pattern. That would be amazing if we can see that. Daily charts, consolidation. This is exactly what that pattern means, is that you see on the weekly charts, the strong run, the retracement, and then another strong one. That's a continuation pattern with candle patterns. We look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin still testing that halfway mark there. On the daily charts, again, consolidation pattern, and they are testing now. Well, this one is a little bit off. I'm not that crazy about this one, but it's still the halfway mark. So the pattern might not be here and not be that nice, but we're still testing. We're only testing that levels now. We missed it there, and now we're testing. So still a crucial level to watch. Ethereum broke through that flat top triangle yesterday. I showed you on a shooting star, which is not good news. Definitely not good news. However, if you look at the rising bottoms, what's happening today? Again, a crucial day today. We need to close well off the lows for this to confirm anything for the upside of things. But that pattern is something to watch. Uniswap giving up a little bit on the strength from yesterday, but yeah, look at that one. That's not good. That's not good. So this doesn't look great at all. However, this could be the break, the retest of this candle pattern there. So crucial what happened this weekend. We had the break, not strong there, but the retest and the reversal here, that will be something to look at. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.